This video is sponsored by sneakerimpact.com. Take a second, look in your closet, see how many shoes you got. If you don't feel like trying to list those shoes and resell those shoes and you simply want to get them out of your closet, visit sneakerimpact.com, hit the contact button or the recycle button, and you can begin your recycling journey. They will send you a free packing slip, and all you have to do, fill the bag, drop it off, and that's it. Sneakerimpact.com. Check them out. So what's up, y'all? Back with another video, and I don't have a stamp here because it's cut off. So I can't really see the stamp, but I will go through and do a few checks for you guys, because this is one of the cutest kind of Easter themed Air Jordan 1 mids I've seen. It's a GS model, so it's going to crease quickly. Matter of fact, this thing is already creased. Somebody tried it on, so there's a slight crease in the toe box already because it's canvas. It's not even a thicker material here. It's pretty interesting. But you got the Nike Crater, which is the recycled outsole, and it's just a white midsole here. But the entire upper is made of canvas. Even the tongue is made of canvas. So you got different elements on the shoe that it's a good looking shoe. It's a good looking shoe. So it's the Air Jordan 1 Mid SEGS. The color is white vivid green, which doesn't make any sense because this is olive and that's yellow. It's no vivid green. Style code is DJ0338-100. SRP on this shoe is 110. 110, so it's 55. The mid, this is an SE. There's no extra set of shoestrings in here. Vivid green is the insole. I'll show you that when I get to the close-up. But no extra shoestring, and it bumped all the way up to 110. So Nike's getting their money out of these mids, man. You're not going to, if you're a person that's like trying to flip shoes and stuff, you're not going to be getting a whole lot out of these shoes anymore. Nike's eating up a lot of that space. Will these go up higher? Probably, especially as we get closer to the summer. But like I said, 110, DJ0338-100, white vivid green. Let's get to the close-up because it's better for you to see this model than it is for me to sit here and talk about it from a distance. So, close-up. So it was super important for me to do this model because it feels like an Easter shoe, but it's all canvas. I want you to see the Nike grind underfoot. That's excellent, right? And you have an embroidered Jordan brand logo or Jordan Wings logo. Same thing on the tongue, it's embroidered, but this shoe is all canvas. But you can see immediately if someone tries this on, man, it gets creased quickly. So you have to be very careful with it, and it's going to get dirty fast. And I would think the best way to take care of this is with a brush. The brush and soapy water. And then spot test it because, whew, man, this thing is going to get dirty quick. The canvas is typically very easy to clean. But I wanted to make sure you got a look, and there goes that green that they said on the box color. So you get to see that. And I wanted to make sure you got a good look at this shoe because it is a very good looking Jordan 1 mid. So let's end it with that shot, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.